What is Pipe? And how will you benefit from using it? Pipe is a job and task management system developed by artisans, allowing your team members to provide real-time feedback from any smart device. With many years' experience in the construction and service industry, we have a true understanding what is required to make jobs run smoothly. We developed a tool for both your field workers and admin staff, making it easier to manage your jobs. Pipe records your activities, job feedback, staff interactions, and creates a full job history in one central location. The answer how Pipe will benefit your company is simple. Pipe saves time and organizes your workflow. This allows you to undertake more jobs, assists your team to carry out work more efficiently, allowing you to focus your energy to growing your business instead of spending hours each day having to sort out paperwork. Please ensure to watch the tutorial videos on our website. We will explore the following processes in detail. We will explain the difference between a job and a task, how to set up your company and get started, how to create a job, client, and property, how to add a new task, a quick task, and copy a task, how to upload pictures, complete forms and save information to a task, how to use the chat section, how to navigate Pipe and use the menu, how to invite a client to the client portal. Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Join us for a free 30-day trial.